Hello everyone, we are from Chelnas, the women's clothing. We deal in Western and Indian collection. Premium quality in cord sets, more than 100 patterns in cord sets, more than 400 patterns in tops, more than 150 patterns in one piece. Complete premium collection में हम deal करते हैं. If you are liking our stuff, just WhatsApp us on 9000008869 और else आप सर का रेफरेंस लेकर आएंगे तो you will get flat 30% discount. So let's start with the collection. So here with the Bollywood cord sets, we deal only in premium quality. Look at this premium quality upper and the bottom. सब में 3 से 4 will get 3 to 4 colors in all patterns. Look at this long cord set. These are Bollywood patterns. You have seen Bollywood stars wearing the long plain cord sets, rich look and premium quality. We don't deal in surplus stocks and any basic stock, only premium quality and the trendy collection. And the patterns we are showing, you will not get this at online or at malls. These are the boutique collections, premium collections, premium super trendy prints, patterns. Look at this with the bottom. These are, I am showing the cord sets. These all are the cord sets. Sizes M to XXL with the pant. There is also the belt with this, the golden belt. Look at this pant and the crop. Superb prints. Bottom, pant. Cord sets, superb collections, 3-piece, 2-piece tops. Just have a look. The color combinations, the patterns, the fittings, all are uncommon patterns. These are 3-piece cord set, inner, shirt and the cargo pant. We also deal in jeans, cargos, wide leg. इसका inner आएगा साथ में, inner with this. This is a 3-piece pattern. Same print, inner will be there. Cord set, denim pant and the t-shirt. In short, cord sets in shorts. Sizes M to XXL, 3XL, 4XL. Patterns and prints are different. These all are available in L to XXL. So let's come to the premium collection of tops. Just have a look. Back, front. We have more than 400 patterns in tops with inner. Superb patterns. Linen fabric, 2-piece pattern, blazer look tops, sequence inner, sizes M to 4XL. With the denim jacket, same color combination, 2-piece, specially regular wear, college wear, semi-party wears, classy looks. Look at this. We are specialists in 2-piece patterns, front, back. More than 400 patterns, especially college wear, t-shirts. I can't show all the patterns in the one video. Just I am showing you the reflex, the selection, the taste, the blazer top with the inner, sleeveless with jackets, baggy t-shirts, baggy shirts, party wear. Superb collections, many denim jackets. If you show this video and come to our shop, which is located at Begum Bazaar, you will get flat 30% discount. And if you are buying more than 5,000, then you will be considered as a wholesale customer and you will get flat 35% discount. Look at the collections. Premium collections. Many varieties available, colors available, and all patterns are uncommon. T-shirts, tops, selected patterns only. Look at the patterns. Many varieties are there, many varieties. All sizes available. I can't show all the patterns in the single video, but just I am showing you the collection and the taste of our boutique. You will get the plenty of collections, cord sets, and especially we deal only in trendy and the premium quality. No surplus, no defects, no common patterns, only premium and the trendy patterns. You can also join us on our WhatsApp community group. Link will be there in the description. One pieces, I will show you few patterns of one pieces. Look at this. Premium prints. Premium gown. Sizes ML, XL, double XL. Look at this gown. Premium collections. Wow print. Shrug with one piece. Knee length, gowns, bodycons, jumpsuits, everything available. All selected patterns at a single step, single door. Look at this print. Look at, you can also go with the sleeveless collection. Look at this gown. Premium looks. With the belt pleated gown. Look at this. Superb. Jumpsuit with shrug. Wow. 4 to 5 colors in this. If you want in at wholesale rate, if you are a shopkeeper, then you can contact us. We will give you flat discount, but your bill should be more than 5,000. Look at the collection. These zabardast pieces hai. Look at the gowns, one pieces, sequins, all Bollywood, Tollywood collection we deal with. Short one pieces. If you want shrugs, inners, you will get, look at this backless, front. Premium prints. This इतनी varieties all over हैदराबाद में आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगी. इतनी varieties हमारे पास में, and these are, I am showing this, these are trial. This is not the movie. Collection, we have the vast collection. With belt. And it's not like कि season है तो आएगा stock. Every 3 days you will get something new at our store. Knee length, full length. Seven colors in this. Look at this. Look at the crochet fabric. Superb fabric. Color combinations. Many patterns available. Just have a look at Begum Bazaar. Our WhatsApp number is 9000008869. Have a visit. Have a look. You will get plenty of collection in all sizes. Even Indian collection are going to come this week, because as Raksha Bandhan is about to come, from next week we don't have much time period that we should upload. I will make a separate video for Indian collection. Jeans also available, especially in cargos, joggers, straight fit, bell bottoms, pencil fit. Vast collection, more than 100 to 120 patterns you will get in the jeans. Thank you. Thank you.